If your seatbelt warning light stays on, or keeps flashing, even when everyone is buckled up, don't panic. Most of the time, it's not a serious problem. That light works with small sensors inside the seatbelt latch, and sometimes, they just get dirty, or slightly stuck. First, unbuckle the seatbelt. Look inside the latch. If you see dust, crumbs, or small debris, that alone can stop it from clicking properly. Use a little compressed air, or gently clean it out. Nothing sharp, nothing aggressive. Now buckle it back in firmly, listen for a solid click. If the light is still on, try this. Turn the car off completely. Open and close the driver's door. Wait about a minute, then restart the engine. Sometimes the system just needs a simple reset. If it's flashing instead of solid, it usually means the car isn't detecting the latch signal correctly, not that the seatbelt is broken. In some cases, sliding the seat forward and back can help, especially if there's a loose connector under the seat. The car is still safe to drive, but you'll hear the warning chime, which gets annoying fast. If the light doesn't go away after this, then yes, you may need to scan for an airbag or seatbelt code. But try these simple things first, before paying for diagnostics. Comment below, is your light solid, or flashing? And tell me your car model, I'll guide you from there.